warning, because these videos contain loud noises and more other things that can make the ears bleed. If you suffer, if you have suffer of earache, if you suffer earache easy, please don't watch it for your own risk. You got warning. But anyway, let's start reading Cartoon Network. After ruining the amazing world of Gumball, which I like it, I recommend watching. We decided to make this trusted. We decided to make a robotboy game, which I now hate it because it's too old. Plus, I think my double rant that in my little Einstein that I'm 10 years old, but I'm not 11. But I was born in October 3, 2013. Or 1, 2, whatever you want to call. Tell me that. But anyways, 21 like this game. Please handle my opinion. But also, don't bash my opinion. Anyways, Robot Boy, Tommy Takeaway. No, more like Boy, Zoomy, Run, Burn, and Fire. Oh my god, this game. Warning, now this is going to be, I will scream very loud. If you ear got hurted really easy, please don't watch it on your own risk. But anyways, this game sucks. Now the reason why I hate this game because it was a huge ripoff to the TV show, which is bad enough. Everyone understands that. You should, but I want to say that I will look so. Here are the designs of the game. Here's the design of the game. Disgusting! I'm going to be honest. I used to like this game when I was younger, but not anymore because I'm now 11 years old, and this show is for babies and the TV show itself is for baby in 1 to 4 years old, babies into the age 1 to 5. At the rest, they didn't use the rest of the ugly characters. It still looks decent, but the show itself sucks and it's too creepy for me nowadays. But anyways, just going to be, and also going to be very rude in this one. If you feel offensive with that, please don't watch it on your own risk. If you watch it and you go attack me in the comments, it's none of my fault. It's your fault for not listening my warning. But anyways, do you know? And also something that I want to say, I want to say, that do you know what he did? Do you know what they did before putting Robot Boy itself. No. We are not going to yell very, but very, 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 very loud. Because if you if you hear get if you get easily hear it easily, please don't watch. They but Tommy drawing words while singing we're singing Sunny Day Synchronous, one of the best Sesame Street songs of all time. This got to be one of the worst Xbox Series X and one of the worst Nintendo Switch games I've ever seen in my entire life. It's not the, but there's one. I just have, but anyway, the songs are annoying. The characters' design are ugly. The backgrounds are really creepy and disgusting. And the whole game is even worse. The Superman 64, which is bad enough, but is not even worse than this one. Thank God that this game is not on Nintendo Switch and Xbox One anymore. Thank God. I mean, thank Abomination God. God. But before I go to the like and hate spot, I only want to say that I was joking, actually. But Tommy, Gus, and Lola. They should put Gus and Lola. And the three sucks. But at the least, they didn't put Robot Girl. But anyways, do you know who likes this game? Humba, Zumba, Zing Zing Zimba, Jumba, and Jimba from Booba. You want to join the cast, but you can't because they suck. And do you know who hates this game? Everyone in the entire world. They hate this game because it is a huge ripoff to the on TV show, which is bad enough. So screw Robot Boy, take Tommy away. And screw Superman 64. And screw Barney's hide and seek game too. But if you like any of these games, I respect your opinion. But anyways, Super Mario Bros. My all-time favorite video game, along with Five Nights at Freddy's and Sonic the Hedgehog, is infinity times better to my number one least favorite video game of all time, along with Ubi Remember and Barney's hide and seek game. End of rant. Next rant. Caillou. After the Caillou rant, Dora the Explorer. And after the Dora the Explorer rant, Little Bill. After the Little Bill rant, Booba. And after the Booba rant, Teletubbies.